Welcome to my channel. Step ahead with a new video. 10 minutes bedtime yoga that would help you sleep like a baby. Are you finding it difficult to fall asleep in this fast-paced world where you are constantly under stress and anxiety? It is extremely important that you get enough rest every night so you will have the energy to face a brand new day. The 10-minute yoga routine and poses discussed here are meant to help you clear your mind, stretch body parts that may have tightened up, and ultimately help you get relaxed and sleep like a baby. All the yoga routines in this video can be performed easily under 10 minutes. Cat and cow poses. Do the cat and cow pose by starting on all fours, your knees positioned under your hips and your hands set positioned under your shoulders. While inhaling, arch your back to lengthen your spine, then reach your head and tailbone together. Lower your shoulders into a cow position. Exhale and go back to the neutral position. Next, round your spine upwards and curl your chin towards your chest area. Cat pose. Do this for a few times to exercise your spine. Child's pose. After the cat and cow pose, kneel and then sit on your heels. Make sure that your toes are together and your knees are apart. Bend forward and let your forehead touch the floor while your arms are stretched forward. Hold this position for a few seconds. Seated forward fold. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Lengthen your spine by sitting tall. Next, try to grab your feet by reaching forward. If you can't reach them, simply place your hands on your shins. Wide leg forward bend. Stand while keeping your feet 3 to 4 feet apart. Clasp your hands behind your back. Next, bend from your hips forward and try to move the crown of your head towards the floor. Keep your toes relaxed while holding the position for about a minute. Supine bound angle pose. Begin this pose by laying on your back, feet positioned flat on the floor. Eve knees bent. Set your arms out towards your sides at approximately 45 degrees from your body. Next, allow your knees to drop outwards towards your sides such that the soles of your feet are now together. Pull your knees wider apart and hold this position for about 2 minutes while taking deep breaths. It's a plain spinal twist. Start by lying on your back while keeping your legs straight. Next, pull your right knee towards your chest area using your left heel. Fold your right knee and let it cross over to the left side of your body. Stretch out your right arm towards your side, somewhat assuming a T position. Turn your head towards the right side. Hold this position for at least a minute, and then do the same with the other side. Single leg happy baby. Lie on your back and straighten your legs. Once again, pull your right knee towards your chest while hugging your knee in towards your chest area. Hold the arch of your right foot. Using your right hand, position the sole of your foot up towards the ceiling such that it is parallel to the ground. Doing this will bring your right knee close to your right armpit. Make sure that your left leg is kept straight. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds and then do the same with the other side. Legs up the wall pose. Sit next to a stable wall and then lay on your side. Next, turn to lie on your back while stretching out your top leg towards the ceiling, sliding it up the wall. Do the same with the other leg such that both your legs are now onto the wall. Make sure that your feet are positioned together. Stretch out your arms into a T position. Hold the position for at least 2 minutes while taking deep breaths. Release the position by bending your knees close to your chest and then rolling to your side. Savasana. Lie on your back and stretch out your legs a bit wider than hip distance apart. Extend your arms toward your side at about 45 degrees. Just relax while in this position and take deep breaths. Final thoughts. No matter how stressed out you are, the yoga routine discussed In this video we'll calm your mind and prepare your body for a deep slumber to boost the effectiveness of this yoga sequence. Make sure to wear comfortable shoes, dim down the lights and use scented candles or essential oils. So forget about counting sheep. All it takes is 10 minutes of your time, and you'll surely be able to sleep like a baby before you know it. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please share with your friends and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following: new subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.